Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video to show you guys how I got this look. So the hair that I'm using today is from UNice hair. I have 4 bundles of their Brazilian waterwave hair. So this is what the hair looks like right out of the packaging. This is the length. All 4 bundles are the same length. What I did was dye the hair jet black and then I washed it. So we're getting right into it. You guys know I started making like all my wigs at home. I haven't had a quick weave in probably a year now. I just think this is less tension on my hair and I can sew it down, I could clip it, I could comb it, I can do whatever I want. So here I'm just showing you guys how I'm making this. I am making this into like a flip over wig, and these are my favorite caps to use only because when the glue dries it's stuck and it's not going anywhere. My hair can breathe because it's netted, and I've also worn a wig I've made to the beach and the tracks didn't slip off, the wig didn't get all weird and sticky. It was like perfect. So that's what I do. If I want my hair to last, I'm making it into a wig. So I'm just showing you guys how I do that. I just glue all the tracks and up until closing, like this is how I close it off. I finished with a little slither and then I just cut little pieces. So I just really followed Ivy's method in wig form. Now for the prep, I'm just putting on a stocking cap and tucking all of my hair under. Since I have curly hair, and it doesn't have to be, perfect. So this is the wig all finished. I did use all 4 bundles, and yeah, I'm showing you guys the combs. I sewed some combs into the unit, and I'll probably sew a few more on the sides just so this will like not move at all. I also find that the wig cap helps to stop the wig from sliding back, because sometimes if your hair is like too slick, them combs will slide back. Luckily for me, my hair is old, so my new growth is curly, so my wig isn't going anywhere. But I'm just showing you guys what the wig looks like on me. Again, I did use basically all 4 bundles, and this is 24 inches on me. So I am pulling out some leave out. You really don't need much with this texture of hair, or really any texture of hair. It just depends on how you plan to blend your leave out, and my hair blends really well with this texture, so I'm really not doing too much. And once I take out my desired amount of leave out, I'm just going to go ahead and stick the combs in and adjust the back. This is probably the easiest wig you can wear. You don't have to do too much, and I just love that. So here I'm just going to blend my little bit of leave out in with the hair just to make sure it's covering the edge of my cap and that you can't see any of the wig cap, period. So I am able to flip my hair whichever direction I want, left, right, whatever. So this is what the blend is looking like. Of course, you take out as little or as much more hair as you need to make sure you're covering, like I said, everything you need to cover. So with all 4 bundles, the hair is very light. It feels nice and comfortable. My wig, that is, because I made it that way. To blend my hair today, I am keeping it very simple. I love how this texture goes from like a loose wave to a curl, so I'm going in with my little pencil curling wand and I'm curling my hair, but I'm not leaving my hair on the wand too long because I don't want a tight curl. I just want it to blend so effortlessly and just look natural. So that's what we're doing. You got some high hopes, high hopes. So here I'm just doing my edges. I'm just using a little bit of setting foam for my edges. That's all. And we're all curled. I'm just showing you how my leave out is blending in with the extensions. I absolutely love it. I love the way the hair turned out. As you can see, like, it looks like mine. I can pull it back. I can do all the things. So I'm just touching up a few more pieces. I feel need a little bit more curl, but that's basically it. I love this. It's giving me like old, like Tay Heckert hair vibes. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but whatever. So this is what the hair looks like on me. Super happy about it. This is how long it falls on me. It goes all the way down to like my butt almost. So I know straightened it'll be past my butt, which I think I might straighten this hair in the future and curl it, maybe do some layers. I don't know, but I'm definitely sewing her down next time. So I'll be sure to list all of UNice's hair info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the hair that I'm wearing and all the specs and all the info, everything you need. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.